Hey, it's Jay Neal here again, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to answer a question I keep getting over and over again. And the question is, do I need a system to build an internet business? And you don't necessarily need a system that's pre-packaged, but I can tell you from experience that if you have a system that is completely integrated with itself, it is much easier, much more cost-effective in the long run, and it will help you build your business. Now, when I first got started, I didn't want to spend the money for an integrated system. I figured I would just piece it all together. I could find it cheaper on the internet. I did a search. I found autoresponders and web hosting, all the different things that I needed to have a business. If you read my post about tools you need for a home-based business, it gives you a list of the different ones that you need and why you need them. Well, I found a bunch of them. Some of them were free, some of them were low cost, and I found that you get what you pay for. Now, some of the free stuff either didn't have the features that I needed in the long run. I mean, it was fine to start with, but why start with one thing and have to switch later? It's better to go ahead and get started with what you're going to use. And I found that there are certain features that are very important that you need to be able to do later on down the road. You might not necessarily use it in the very beginning, but you want to use the things later. The deliverability rate of the emails from autoresponder is very, very important. So you want something that has a very good deliverability rate so that your emails will get to the intended customer and they'll be able to read your email. Obviously, if they never get it, if it's thrown in the spam file or if it just never gets there at all, it doesn't do you much good. I pieced this system together, and I wasn't much, really in the end, I wasn't much cheaper than what the systems were going for, and so it just it's kind of a no-brainer. I pieced it together with autoresponder on the side and built my own email series, both for the marketing part as well as an email series for my downline to teach them how to market and the different steps they need to take each and every day to get to where they wanted to be in their business. I'd had pretty good success, but I found that I was losing a lot more than I was getting. I mean, they were leaving about as fast as I was getting them in, and it turned out that my system just wasn't duplicatable. It's hard for the average person to step in and grab an autoresponder system and start writing their own email copy, and if they don't know, how can they write an email series on what you're supposed to be doing? So it just was causing me a lot more problems, a lot of headaches. I was constantly having to work through things with people and get them set up. If you have an integrated system like what I have now, I went to it basically originally just for the easeability of my new people that I sign up. I can just turn them over to the system, and the system will guide them and take them right through, and I really don't have much to do with it. The system is absolutely fantastic. When you go through this system, it has all the training you need step by step, from getting started, setting up your account, all the way through your marketing plan, both your beginner marketing all the way up through intermediate and advanced marketing. It has ongoing weekly training each week that's automatically there for the people. Makes things so much better, so much easier. I'm just getting, the retention rate has changed dramatically from what it was because they can see themselves doing that. Each capture page and stuff that's already in the system is fully customizable. You can add your own video, you can add your own pictures, whatever you need to do, change the copy if you need to, and it just makes it fantastic so that you can brand yourself or your business. There's an automatically integrated funded proposal system so that you have affiliate products that are great products that everyone necessarily needs to run their business and to build their business, already built in the system. So you have access to all those different funded proposals, which will continue to bring you money throughout the system. Even the people that don't sign up to your main business opportunity, you're still making money. So it helps fund your system. It helps you pay for your system, helps you pay for your advertising costs, whatever you need to do. So I highly advise you to click on the link and check this out. read the information I have on my post and also the link that will take you to the information about the system. I think you'll be very pleased with it. So have a great evening, and we'll be looking forward to seeing you at the top.